There have been many Muslim kings throughout history, ruling over various regions and contributing to the development of Islamic civilization. One notable example is Saladin, the Kurdish Muslim military leader and sultan, who became famous for his role in the Crusades. Saladin, also known as Salah-ad-Din Yusuf ibn Ayyub, was born in 1137 in Tikrit, in present-day Iraq. He rose to prominence as the Sultan of Egypt and Syria, founding the Ayyubid dynasty. Saladin became well known for his military prowess, chivalry, and ability to unite various Muslim factions against the Crusaders. One of the most significant events in Saladin's life was the Battle of Hattin in 1187. In this battle, Saladin decisively defeated the Crusader forces led by King Guy of Jerusalem. Following the victory, Saladin captured Jerusalem, a city of great religious significance for Muslims, Christians, and Jews. His actions during this time, including his chivalrous treatment of prisoners and his respect for the religious sites in Jerusalem, earned him a reputation for magnanimity. Saladin's conquest of Jerusalem led to the Third Crusade, during which he faced formidable opponents like Richard the Lionheart, the King of England, and Philip II of France. The conflict did not result in a decisive victory for either side, but a truce was eventually signed in 1192. According to the terms of the truce, Jerusalem remained under Muslim control, but Christian pilgrims were allowed to visit the city. Saladin's legacy extends beyond his military achievements. He is remembered as a wise and just ruler, known for promoting learning and culture. Saladin's life and leadership have inspired numerous works of literature, art, and film, depicting him as a symbol of chivalry and unity. It's important to note that there were many other Muslim kings and leaders throughout history, each with their own unique stories and contributions to Islamic civilization. The story of Saladin is just one example of the rich tapestry of Muslim history.